welcome to the walking taxi depot. Absolutely not. Yeah, we're not gonna risk it. Nope. Okay, good. We're closing that because new. Absolutely no. Oh, shit. Okay. You know, I sort of want to ask, why do they not have shirts? Do they hate heat? Are they more active in the cold? Is that why they can't freeze? It's like whatever's infecting them thrives, right? And that's probably a good question. Okay, just out of curiosity, right? Yes, you can. Okay. Okay. Because I do not need ship it or something. We're gonna loot. And then we're gonna leave. Because I did not expect
Leave all
to
valuables behind. Follow the perimeter wall north to Fort Malone. A CDC representative will meet you there.
Genuinely surprised though, nobody thought, hey, maybe let's base out on a bridge. Just on a whim. Just for chance, you know? Because we're already high up, we can block any form of way anybody can get in, like, on there, so, like, why not? Yeah, that weapon's gone. Let me join you. I know something that could help us both. Veterinarian crafts more bandages and medical items for the same cost. Refined taste. Hope on the horizon. Audrey points at the nearby highway a while back. I heard a few shots up there, followed by a sheep of screaming. Maybe there's something valuable there. Something worth protecting. Or the dude got, like, I don't know, chomped on him, like, do they eat people? Do these things just bite and just infect? Because I know, like, they dig into you from, like, first 2 games. Sweet. Oh, yeah. Hunger. Shit. Oh, we need the coconut. Oh shit, I need to take you too. Yeah, go scavenge. You're gonna be there. I'm going to make something. Anything really. Okay, weapons workbench. Yeah, that's the one. Oof. Audrey, you will. I need you to break it down. 612. 18. Okay, wait a minute. Oh my god, this is like way more, holy shit. Yeah, we're sending Audrey, she gets to explore. Okay. I hope this works, I guess. Good. Okay, we're getting snacks. Fuck. Yeah, I think everything valuable here is gone except for everything in this truck. So, sort of want to know. There's so many boxes. Oh. These might be guns. Like, all of it. It's just everything just might be guns. I do not want to imagine like falling off here, just jumping off, leaping like Assassin's Creeding off. Yeah, don't need that. Better. Okay. Yeah, alright. That's gonna be it for this video.